My mother and your mother was washing some clothes. My mother thumped your mother in her bed.
Diana Johnny.
Yes, Daddy.
Every single day. The women them are special. And we should treat them with respect. Don't ill-treat nor disrespect the females. Because them are the reason why we are here today. And all of the single parent mother, me have a sad story, but let's not go. Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully, plus a sour, selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who make you and I'll break you. Go on if you wanna try." The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, "Somebody, call police!" She remained by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post, then suddenly start recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day while Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no prevention. Few months later she was pregnant, no baby father was around. Her mind went googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father. Happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out he wasn't so, and later committed suicide. Pam never had a good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. Few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life's journey got intricate. She prayed and said, "Oh God, I can't take no more." A year after she bought a car, some people call her whore. She later furthered her education, for she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? Once again it's the voice of Amaziyah the Great, representing for all my independent ladies across the world. Keep moving on to excellence. A light is ahead of that tunnel. Tell them precisely. Namaskar, be enough respect. Someone say the Great from Spanish Town, Jamaica. Redfish, big up yourself, enough respect. Archie myself, love. We all have to have that respect for each other. Usain Bolt got bronze in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost a race, well if a negative remarks yellow. Won't expect, show respect, car history was created. America bowed down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Precisely. Keep your negative remarks to yourself and don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are, I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. Hold up. You see, the problem I encountered every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneakingly, creepingly wanna take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Love has gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get attention, focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate, but display more hate. Anger escalate, too much alarming crime rates. The moral slowly deteriorates, and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist, say about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what's your own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember you're not alone. So Wagwan, can I get some love now? Oh, sorry, I guess you love your phone. Most of us now understand how essential life is. We sit down and waste time and I know what time really is. If only you understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical it is. Marcus Garvey say unite, so why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hates? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Like morally I'm saying one love, them I go tell you for see me face. Tell them precise. So we say enough respect for the great ancestors, them and the one who paved the way they are so.
North Carolina, I'm tell them precisely. Some of the great. Redfish on the next track real quick. Tell them precisely. Great way, the gateway. They got the Spanish town here with them. Connecticut, New York, North Carolina, South Carolina. Everywhere you there, that's big up. Amaziyah the great. Too much crime and violence are going. About on them. I want to them G-wrangling. Claims to them a bad man and have big guns angling. Warm to them, right you know. Crime and violence them get tangling. And I'm seeing friend them come back and dismantle. Precisely. The crime and the violence we must get it out. Guns popping, non-stopping every day. Busting out, or start now, can't part now, and brains flashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears, dashing out. The crime and the violence we must get it out. Guns popping, non-stopping every day. Busting out, or start now, can't part now, and brains flashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears, dashing out. 13 years ago, Tom accidentally kill a friend. Him go foreign and come back and him there yard. I chill again. Thought it was over, but him pick up 6 of them. Over a decade now, and shots start to drill again. It's cold and bitter when innocent blood a spill again. Them a call 119 and can't get rid of them. Mill of them have killer friends, none of them knocking again. It's kill or be killed, no gunshot starts again. The crime and the violence we must get it out. Guns popping, non-stopping every day. Busting out, or start now, can't part now, and brains flashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears, dashing out. The crime and the violence we must get it out. Guns popping, non-stopping every day. Busting out, or start now, can't part now, and brains flashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears, dashing out. If you diss me a day, that's how the last thing said. Next thing we know, the whole place are run red. Shots more than 100, people are ground dead. Is this a movie or reality? Fight cooler than dread. Pure powered rifle, no look at 38 shot. I hear that and tears drop. So me grab her and lay flat. Nicola the Johnny, so me tell her, baby stay flat. Cause really and truly, you know how we get no straight shot. The crime and the violence we must get it out. Guns popping, non-stopping every day. Busting out, or start now, can't part now, and brains flashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears, dashing out. The crime and the violence we must get it out. Guns popping, non-stopping every day. Busting out, or start now, can't part now, and brains flashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears, dashing out. So we hear sirens and police driving with JDF. Them have some long guns scary, them serious. In them face not smiling, AKs on them 16. In on me face pointing. Hey boy, come here.
Hey yo, Sergeant.
And I saw them a class me. I'm a law-abiding citizen. I don't have no Glock 40, so treat me with respect. Comprehend the compadre. Best if you investigate on the problem we start.
Hey, shut them out, boy.
Crime and the violence we must get it out. Guns popping, non-stopping every day. Busting out, or start now, can't part now, and brains flashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears, dashing out. The crime and the violence. And everybody asks me, I coulda watched some every day, I wonder. Some just tell them precisely. See him peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner cry. See him peculiar look, you're wondering why. Nothing not going no matter how me try. See him peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner cry. See him peculiar look, you're wondering why. Nothing not going no matter how me try. Me no time for gamble, so no tell me fit show dice. Tired of me fed up of this suffer a poor life. No food, same clothes, me enough with 4 nights. Mama she a ball feet, then now she get sore eyes. And a depths I'm a trouble, so I say me fit no cries. Yeah, me to be rich, pushing Benz and a Rolls Royce. Elevate more people from this misery, low life. Educate and teach the youth them fi grow right. See I'm peculiar look in my eyes. Mama she worried in a corner cry. See I'm peculiar look, you're wondering why. Ain't nothing not going no matter how me try. See I'm peculiar look in my eyes. Mama she worried in a corner cry. See I'm peculiar look, you're wondering why. Nothing not going no matter how me try. Funny I've been wearing old shoes like this. Can't find the first dime for me food price list. Pour the pride free in a moods like this. If I could, I would exclude crisis. I'm like Marcus, the prophet shot in suits like this. An inferior, superior, them a move like bitch. Crime a escalate and men a shoot like this. God help with his all, disputes like this. See him peculiar look in my eyes. Mama she worried in a corner cry. See
See I'm peculiar, look, you're wondering why. And nothing like one, no matter how me try. See I'm peculiar, look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner cry. See I'm peculiar, look, you're wondering why. And nothing like one, no matter how me try. Me ball out for help, but me can't get no sponsor. See I'm peculiar, look, make me keep back and I wonder. When me a go do now for solve the answer? Should I rob, kill or go sell some ganja? It's a rocky, ugly road, some more me off it trod. Guide me from temptation, me I beg you, oh God. I've been tempted in violence and lot of things were bad. Me really no want nobody else be sad. See I'm peculiar, look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in a corner cry. See I'm peculiar, look, you want.
Pleasure being here. Mama's Caribbean. Tell them precisely. Enough respect. Redfish. Big up yourself again. Michelle, RJ, Kadian and the team. Big up everybody.
Alright. Alright. We about to shut it down. Alright, they getting ready to close, so.
I thought it was excellent, wonderful, magnificent, very good vibes, very good for meditation, most definitely.
I love the vibes. I love just the spoken word. I love to see the people enjoy, because I'm a person, I love things to make me meditate and vibes. And I love the frequency of everyone together to help strengthen that, you know? And his spoken word was just nice, because it is a lot of abuse and it is a lot of unspoken, you know, violence that is going on amongst us sisters, and it's not supposed, especially from a man, you know. So it's very powerful and very beautiful. So I give thanks for that. They have him perform that, you know. So give thanks.
Oh my goodness, it just was touching, because what I'm experiencing. My name is Kimberly Merritt, and I'm just. It's my birthday. I just turned 55. Lord help me, God. And I'm going through some things, but you know what? Your vibe got my attention. Your vibe and her vibe got my attention today. I'm telling you. I'm so glad to be here. I'm happy to be alive. Something you said in your lyrics made my eye do this. I had to freeze because it hit me right here. I felt like crying. It was just that strong. I got chills right now, and I got the freeze because you awesome.
Yeah.
She's awesome.
Yeah.
He's awesome. We're all awesome.
Thank you very much.
Oh, God. Believe me when I tell you that.
It's the reason why we're all here tonight.
Yeah.
It's the reason why he come all the way from Jamaica to be here tonight for his spoken word. So there's a reason somebody in here needed to hear that.
Yeah.
Somebody it needed to be said, and it took someone to come all the way from Jamaica to express that. So I'm grateful for this moment. You know, I'm grateful to meet the ISM and this virgin here, because you're gonna hear his words again. You know, you're gonna hear his words again.
Because it makes me tear up, because she knows what I'm going through. I lost my mom and Chrissy.
I lost mine February 3rd. So it's but you know, you have to have that strength in the Creator to know that now that she is an ancestor. And she left us in flesh, but she's here in spiritual realm. And for me, it's what greater honor to know that my mother is now an ancestor. It's all part of life's, you know, pattern. We're born, we're a princess, then we're a queen, and then we're an empress, and then now we're an ancestor. She's an ancestor. So she's going to watch over and guide you. So you have to have faith in your belief and in your Creator to know that she will see you again. You can still call on her. You can still call on her. And just have to be strong and make her legacy. The worst thing you can do is not speak her name. The worst thing you can do is not remember her. The most powerful thing you can do is to speak her name and say it with a smile. And loving your heart, because that means she lived for something. She did. Yes, she did. So it'll be better. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, it's so sweet. So sweet. I get so much of it.
Well, I'm happy to be here and performing
Yes.
and actually touch a soul, you get me? So I'll definitely keep the links, alright?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. Should be going back to Jamaica soon, but I'll just keep it on.
I love all of you.
We all have to have that respect for each other. You're saying both got bronze in London, and some are saying
My
similar.
pleasure to be here because it was a chance thing to come. We were looking for some place, and I hadn't been here in a long time, and my girlfriend had not been here in a long time. I said, let's go. And I'm telling you, it was just what we needed.
Man, you enjoy the vibes?
Yes, it was just the day out that we needed. It was the ram in the bush.
All right, and also about Amaziyah, the great. You know, how you feel about the last performance?
It was great. I mean, the message was good.
Okay.
Respect and how we got to stop killing each other. And I don't understand why we kill each
Right,
other.
right.
I don't understand why we're supposed to be friends and the next thing you know, we fighting and I'm shooting you. What is with that? We got to stop that. We got to stop that. We have enough forces trying to do us in.
Right.
We don't need to do us in.
That's true.
You know,
Beautiful
so
said.
that was a wonderful message. You know, we got to stop. We got to stop and think about what we're doing. We got to have respect and we got to pray.
The Empress Zion Rose from Trinidad, how you feel about the vibrations,
it was
culture and
good.
roots? You enjoy that?
It was good. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Because I'm from New York. So my name is Debbie.
Debbie, okay, Debbie.
All right,
Nice
Debbie.
meeting you.
Brooklyn,
From
woo,
Brooklyn.
woo.
Yeah.
I'll be down in Brooklyn the 29th.
Okay.
So we thank y'all for coming to Mama Caribbeans
I'll be
and the
back.
Redfish Experience. We love you.
We'll be back.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
It was very good, entertaining, I should say. Hope to get more entertainment coming in. How nothing else. It was good.
Remind us the name again.
Maya. Maya is the name.
Yeah.
Don't forget Connecticut, South Carolina. Big up North Carolina. Crime and violence.
Yeah, big up crime and violence. It was great. The performance was great.
So anyway, cup, money.
It was great, Craig. It was great. You did wonderful. I enjoyed every bit of it.
What you say? What you think?
How are you, Aiden?
How was it?
Good.
Was good? You like it?
Yeah.
Say you like it.
I like it.
I like it.